Hello everybody, Mr. Terhar here with your e-learning lesson for April the 20th. We're going to be on ICEV again today, and I will show you what I need you to do. First of all, when you get logged in, uh, come down and click on My Courses for Food Science. Once you get to My Courses, you're going to scroll down through the lessons all the way down to the HACCP section. Whoops, there it is. So we have completed our introduction to HACCP, or introduction to the principles of HACCP, I should say. Now we're going to move on to the next lesson, which is identifying hazards in food processing. So you're going to click the lesson beside uh, identifying hazards in food processing. You're going to click view lesson. And that's going to bring up the lesson. At the top of the lesson, there are two videos. This one, which is the first one we're going to watch, and then there's another one. Don't worry about the second one for right now. Focus on number one, the principles of HACCP. And then once you are done with that, or if you want to, as you watch the video, click worksheet. Whoops, not that one. Over here. Yeah, interactive one. Sorry, not the printable one. You don't want that one. Okay, and you're going to go through, and there are 8 questions to answer. Okay, so those go right along with the video on the hazards in food processing. So you're going to do that, and that will be your e-learning for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I will gladly answer those, but let me know if I can help you out, and have a great day. Thanks.